Okay, good morning, everyone. Today is what, 7th? Yeah, yes, because today is 7th. Anyways, today I have a trading card for you guys. Um, and yeah, let's just make this as quick as possible so we can, sorry, so you can all get to us here as fast as possible. So, starting on the daily, I'm watching. This was my draw on liquidity for the day. This Friday, December 26th high of last year. Well, a few days ago, but technically still last year. Um, my reasoning is that we had. Hold on, I have this annotated wrong. It's not suspension block I was looking at. I was looking at how we were displacing higher out of this suspension block. Oh right, yeah, it's just I had it wrong. It's the same thing. It's just the entire range that I forgot to add. Right. So we're still trading inside of a bullish suspension block down here. Volume imbalance. Everything is just leading to higher prices. I'm treating these more bullish and bearish just because of the narrative is that I want higher prices, and I'm bullish up to this high overall. As I think I said it yesterday. Look at these very smooth highs, smooth highs at the sextuple on top. I think that's 7 on like the sides. Anyways, so this is the work on the daily. Draw down to the 4-hour. Nothing much on the 4-hour other than this IFVG right here. I don't have it marked out, but yeah, new week opening gap down here. Don't need to see these get filled completely if we're bullish. The fact that we traded down to midpoint. The fact that we traded down to midpoint and started just trading away, leaving it. Nasdaq not showing the willingness to come down back into it. That's a very bullish sign for me. Especially the fact that after we inverse this gap, this low is now protected. So you should not see us trade down to this low, and also this suspension block on the daily. I don't want to see us trade down into the lower half of it. I want to stay in the upper half. All the damage should be done in the upper half. If we trade on here, it's fine. I just don't want to see any candle bodies down here. The wicks can trade down here, the bodies cannot. We're about to start target actually. Coming into the morning, first thing I always do, I'm gonna delete these. What I usually do is I have these on a separate layout. Pay money for this shit, so I'm gonna use it. I have these on a separate layout. So what I was looking at this morning was the upper half of this wick right here on the daily charts. I want to see this with support because I think it was this day. Yes, this day. On Monday was a inside trading day, meaning we did not take the high. We didn't take previous day's high, and we didn't take previous day's low. So it was kind of just trading in the daily range. So usually, real often when that happens is when you have an inside trading day, the next day is gonna be expansion. As you can see, let me clean this up because you might not be able to see properly. Sorry about that. Anyways, what was I looking at? I was grading the wick, right? So this whole Friday's wick can take a fib with quadrants, take the entire range, and I want to see this upper half be used as support and this lower half be used as just staying open. I don't want to see us trade to this today. And we did that perfectly. We expanded, we got above it. Now it's a discount wick. What I had marked was just the upper half of it like this, just like that. And you see we traded down, failed to reach the upper the 0.75 level of it, and we just continued higher. That's also bullish signs for me as well. Started the day off at a 50-minute chart. What do we have? First thing I always do, midnight open and 8:30 open. And I want to explain why narrative also can take the cake sometimes. Midnight open and 8:30 open here and here. Peaceful. So what happened? If you go on to regular trading hours, see this morning we opened in a discount, which is nice. We opened in a discount because you see this is yesterday's closing price, 25,820, and the opening price for this morning was 25,790. So we opened at a discount, which is good because we have lower prices. And today I kind of ignored the midnight open at 8:30, but I'm going to tell you why. Because okay, my drawn liquidity is higher. Number one. Number two, if we go back to the daily, we traded down into the 0.75 range right here. During the day, that gave us support. I offered a support. So I'm not necessarily looking for shorts on this fair value gap right here, just because of the fact that my drawn liquidity is higher, and we've already done the work on everything lower, and the fact that I want us to stay in the upper half of this wick right here, this daily wick. That's where the daily chart comes in. When I was teaching some people and I was talking about that, that's when the daily narrative comes in, kicks into play. Because I want us to stay in the upper half, I don't want to see us trade all the way down to get under here to go above. All of this was yesterday's price action. This was like London session, Asia, New York, and then just New York up. So that's really why I was kind of ignoring this. So we can get to the executions now. Brand new fund is the 50k account. So I was up 1% today. So I started with a loss. So if you go back to regular trading hours and you mark the closing price and the opening price, so the closing price of yesterday, opening price of this morning, draw that through. That's called an opening range gap. We traded down. Let me go back to electronic. So first trade idea, we traded down into the opening range gap. I don't think I have it annotated. No, I do. Okay, cool. Let me just push this to the right so you guys can see. Right. So we deliver off of this opening range gap. Failure to reach midpoint. I'm also noting this in real time. Failure to reach midpoint of the opening range gap. We come up, inverse fair value gap right here. So the trade idea I originally had in mind, 25,858. So about right here. I think I front run this gap because I got it before it closed. So I take my entry about right here. My stop loss went underneath this candle body right here, and my take profit was just the Friday high. And oh, I'm not close. Actually, did a decent job. No, it's not. I'm close. Yeah, and you can see that I got stopped at break even. I got stopped literally, actually technically in profit. I just got railed by commissions and fees, but that's fine. So this is a break even trade for me. I see, because I moved my stop loss to my entry point, so at that point I'm risking essentially nothing. So yeah, this trade was break even. Why I went break even was because I wasn't seeing the speed I wanted above this high. So I just decided to take off the risks on the trade, and as you can see, we came back down and it stopped me out. So yeah, second trade idea was a re-entry. Once again, failure to take out this low, failure to reach the opening range gap. That's very bullish signs for me. Although this morning was kind of sloppy, in my defense, it was a kind of hard morning to navigate. I took a re-entry on this FEG. I actually nearly got stopped out on this one as well, but I decided to hold. I was thinking, oh my gosh, should I close early? You know, because we're all real people, we all have emotions. So I was like, oh my gosh, should I trade early? Should I close early? Blah blah blah. Entry right here for longs again. My stop loss went at this candle body low right here. I didn't want us to trade down and create an order block because this is a bearish candle, believe it or not. So I didn't want us to come down here and create an order block. So if we did, then I just don't want me to trade. That's why I say stop losses tell stories. So my stop loss is right here. 25,879. So right here. So I decided to take a full pull right here, and you're gonna see I entered with 9. I initially closed 3, and then I just closed the rest of my position, just because even though we're getting this speed, sometimes you just feel like you want to close. If you start feeling woozy in a trade, and you start feeling, oh my god, should I close? Should I close? Do it. I, I promise you, because you're not gonna do yourself any justice by trading emotionally. If you start feeling emotional, get out of the trade immediately. And obviously we're human, we all deal with stuff. So after taking this, I just pulled on my position right here, so only up about 1%. As you can see, it's a good thing I did, because this huge candle right here would have stopped me out. I was gonna take a re-entry, but on this order block right here, not sure why I didn't. I think I was journaling at the time, so I saw it. I got back to the charts when it was around right here. That's huge. So yeah, not a bad day though. Up 1% on my new account. So that's I need only like 5% more. So literally just 5 days of just 1%, and I pass the account, which is good. Very good stuff. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. You can see that this trade would have kind of worked out. We didn't quite get to Friday's high. We're starting to trade away from it. This would have been a trade idea based on the order block. Even though we're trading down, once again, I'm noting failure to reach midpoint of the open range gap. Start moving up, start moving up, start moving down a little. As soon as I see this, I'm starting to get excited, because I'm like, okay, if we are bullish, we should get movement like above this. We did, and then movement all the way to the high. Not necessarily, we didn't quite get it yet, but I have conviction that we're basically gonna get it within the next few minutes. So yeah, that's my trade recap for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and yeah.